No. That's good. No, just kidding. Kidding. My name's Elizabeth, and I'm making this movie. We're gonna have lots and lots of fun. Excuse me. It's okay. I'm okay. See that my bed is the one up here. My sister's bed's down there. Da 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 da. Do you know? See these diamonds? They're real. I bet you didn't know that. Well, I said we would have lots of fun. But it's kind of over now. Well, see you later.